Hey, what's up, guys? And today, as you see, I have a lock over here, and you realize that I'm going to pick this lock, and that is a yes. And I'm recording this using my new camera, so make sure you check for the quality, and I'm setting it for the highest setting available. So, as you can see, wait, it's still sealed, so I need to open it using this. Oh, what happened? So to be honest, uh, damn, this is not sharp anymore. So you can, as you can see, this is still new. Ah, ah, I hate this. I'm recording my using new camera, and I don't have a tripod and a cameraman or a woman. Are there actually camera women? I don't know. Alright, so just open it. As you can see, um, this is a brass lock, and wait, the key is still stuck on the shackle. Wait, we got 3 keys actually. That's interesting. And yeah, it's like 1 2 3 pinner, 4 pinner, I don't know. So let me get my new pick set, and for this kind of thing, this hook, standard hook, will do the job. I don't know, let's just make it happen. And because that keyway is so small, I cannot use my new tension wrench. I only able to use my hair pick tension wrench. So alright, let's get this open. Hey, what's wrong with this? As you can see, it's new, so I really don't know what is the combination for this one. For the Crispo 5-pinner lock, or if you have seen my TSA 007, I've tried those, so I can make it as fast, but not like this one. I wish I have a vise and a tripod to make my recording easier. Oh my god, this is what's that? What's that click? Wait, oh. This is taking forever. Let's try raking it. If my rake just can't come in. Wait. I almost open it. Wait, I touched the camera. there's no hope. Very small keyway. Maybe I can use my old pegs, like that's pin 2, pin 3. Wait, where's that thing? I almost opened it. Like there's only one left. I think I mispicked that. There you go. It's opened. And I haven't tried this before. As you can see, that was sealed and I cut it open. And for the brand, it's FixAll 4mm solid brass Padlock. Ignore that Indonesian thing. And because it's open, you can see that. Maybe you cannot see that, or you can see that. Let's try using the key. Okay, so everything works fine and I picked it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, click on that like button and perhaps maybe subscribing, because I still have more locks. And for this kind of lock, I bought it for like $1, $1.50, or in my currency is like 25,000 Indonesian rupiahs. It's like $1 or $2, something like $1.7, and it's pretty cheap because in order to buy master lock, it cost like 30 bucks, and I actually have money to buy it, but my mom don't. Yep, my mom didn't permit me to do that because it's just for really expensive, and my mom said you're only using it for things like this. It's really yeah, expensive. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Perhaps sharing this video will also support me for creating another videos in higher quality, and everything's go higher, like maybe I have a cameraman or something, or I'm just using a tripod. And yep, I will see you guys in the next video, and everybody stay safe. Wait, that wasn't oh, that wasn't turning off. Okay.